Hi everyone, welcome to the SQL for Oracle database. In today's lecture I will show you how to install and download Todd, SQL Developer and SQL Plus. Todd is very expensive, that's why it's only available for 30 days. We can use SQL Developer as alternative, so it's up to you. We can use Todd or SQL Developer is the same. This is the software that is the interface that will interact with our database. And we have SQL Plus. This is when we install our database. It will come with the installation file. So you have, I will leave the download link in the comments below. So first of all, you have to install, you have to download and install Todd for Oracle Develop Editor. Just go for download for free trial. You have to use your business email. It's not allowed for emails with gmail.com. You should have a business email. Click for download a free trial. So after you put your username and password, you will have to select from latest version. We have Todd for Oracle 2025.2. This is 64 trial. If you don't have a business email, so you can find online from here and other resources and you can download it. I already downloaded that. Let's gonna go to my area in here, go for download, and I have compressed files. Okay, I have in my programs. This is Todd for Oracle. Click on that. Next. I accept. Next. And then you should have in there, you should have add license. You should check your emails. They will send you license key and site message. You have to copy and put them there. After that you have to give OK. I already done that. So next, 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 and then give him ignore all. Just you have one little bit things in here, no need. Click OK and you have to wait to finish. Wait for installation. So after the download is finished, just can finish. So we end, and then we just finished download the Todd for Oracle database. And now we should download the database, Oracle database 19. Oracle just updated one another database. You can use the 23 Oracle database 23C, and the oldest one was Oracle 12. So 19 is perfect for us. Click on the zip file. So after you click on your zip file, you have to sign your account with Oracle database. And if you don't have account, so you should create account from here. Otherwise, if you have account, just you need to insert your So after you set your username and password, they will have to allow you to start download. You can download. I already do that. So let's go and install the Oracle database. Already have in my download files in the compressed file. So I already have the Oracle database in here. Extract the file, extract all. So after we extract the whole file, we have to go for setup. Click on the setup. Okay, try to make it bigger. Click next. Yes. Next. The third step also next. This is virtual account. I'm trying to make it bigger, but it's also show me a small icon. I cannot make it bigger, so click next. Okay, the most important is this this phase, this step number 4. This is the most important. You have to set the Oracle name. For example, this is global dataset name Oracle. I'm gonna name it 2. I'm gonna name it Oracle. I already have 2, Oracle 3, and you have to set your username password. If you forget that, that means you have a problem. So make sure you don't forget that. Okay, so um, after finish, go for next, click on next, and wait for Oracle database 19c to continue install. So step number 4 is the most important. If you forget your password and your database name, you will have troubles when you start to connect with your database. So you have to wait for the progress to finish. When you finish, we'll come back. So after we finish install the Oracle database, now we can go to install the rest. Now click close. Okay, we come back to install the SQL Developer. You can choose your operation system. For me, Windows 64 is also available 32-bit and 60, so it's work for both. Download this one. Before you install the developer, you need to have installed the Java. So it is work. SQL Developer is work where the minimum Java required is Java 17. So it's okay to download the Java 18. I'm gonna leave the link. Choose the Java for Windows 64 installer and install the Java. It's gonna go. Okay, I have the SQL Developer in here. Extract all. Extract. So after I extract, I open the file, and then you have to go for SQL Developer. Click on the SQL Developer, but I have version 24.3. But when you click on the SQL Developer, you will have to give him for Java. You have to give him the path for Java. But for don't forget, first of all, you have to install the Java, and then you have to install the SQL Developer. Because when you click on the SQL Developer, you need to give him the path for the Java. So that's why when I install the Java first, it's go directly, but you have to install the Java first, and then you have to give him the path for the Java from here. But for me, it go directly, and this is the interface that we use to connect with our database. This is SQL Developer. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video where we start applying all the things that we need to know about the SQL for Oracle database.